Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to be making a tapas. It was a little idea that I got when we went to holiday in Italy, in here. Can you check this out? That's where we went. Anyway, it's dead simple but very tasty, and we need some of this. That's right, yeah, really, it's made out of bread. So yeah, stay tuned, check out this recipe and you can make it for yourself. It's a great party food. Tapas. We'll need some bread, just plain white bread, like this. That'll do fine. And we're going to need some flour, some pesto, homemade if you can do it, breadcrumbs, mozzarella cheese, and some eggs. Now cut the mozzarella cheese into slices, not too thin. Remember, these are going to be making your tapas, so we don't want them too big. Now it's a good idea to let them dry out for a little while on some kitchen towel. I'll put them on there like this, just leave them for a little while, 20 minutes if that really. While that's happening, we can cut the crusts off of the bread and discard those. We're not going to be using the crusts, not in this recipe anyway. Now I'm going to roll it flat, nice and flat. Swap it around, give it a little roll the other side. Don't have to be excessive. There we go. Then the mozzarella, pop it into just the right place like that, followed by the pesto sauce on the top. Then we fold the bread over really carefully, hopefully so that it doesn't split or crack. And once we've done that, we can mix our egg yolks and egg whites together, no bubbles mind, and dip our piece of bread in there. This will help to seal it. Once you've dipped it in there, squish it together all the way around. Once that's done, we can put some flour on, like this, shake off the excess. There we go. Then into the egg wash, I should say. There we go, get that coated all the way over. When that's done, we can go into the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs should stick nicely. Make sure it's covered all the way over, because this is what's going to give us that nice crunch. Then again, we chuck off the excess, which we don't need, and you'll end up with this. Into a pan of hot cooking oil. I've used vegetable oil, and you want about the 300° Fahrenheit mark. Now when it's finished, you should get a sound like this. Now when we cut into these, crikey, the cheese has vanished. Not really, the flavour's still there. Wow, that's really good. So full of flavour. Tapas made from bread. Who would never have thought it? Please try this for yourself. Really easy. Great party food too. I'm so pleased I brought that idea back from Italy with me. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers and everybody who's viewed this video. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you do, don't forget to hit that bell and you'll get all my future videos come flooding through. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Arrivederci.